Hi, I'm Nursakti. Today, we're going to showcase some of the features offered by Exhia, including real-time internet browsing capabilities and editing GIS data without the need for GIS software. These features can be extremely powerful in certain situations, such as the data editing that we're about to demonstrate now. Here, I have prepared a shapefile produced by Exhia as demonstrated in the previous video. You can see some city information and population data for 2020 that was input by Exhia. Like other generative AI, Exhia sometimes provides inaccurate data for general requests. Please take note. The generative AI often doesn't provide exact data, especially for general information such as public data requests without any source, even though sometimes it's relatively close. For this reason, as a user, it's advisable to prepare your own verified data, or at least have a reliable source to obtain the data from. You can search by Google to find this information, but that can be time-consuming. For this reason, Exhia has been developed with a search feature that autonomously searches trusted sources to get the answers users want. In Exhia, the method is quite simple. Just add the tag @web at the beginning or end of any prompt. By doing this, Exhia will browse the internet to find the most accurate answer. Okay, Exhia has found more accurate and reliable population data for Berlin from two websites it selected as the best references, Statista and Wikipedia. Each source includes a URL link that you can check for more details. From what has been found, there seems to be a difference of about 84,000 people compared to the initial data. Therefore, we need to update the existing data. The population data for Berlin, which is currently listed as 3,748,000, needs to be changed to 3,664,088. Here, I'll show you how Exhia can modify this data using text-based commands. It's important to note that in this process, Exhia does not use QGIS, meaning it can still perform the task without QGIS being installed on your computer. I simply need to ask Exhia to modify the shapefile displayed in QGIS. The process involves providing instructions, dragging and dropping the shapefile for reference, and specifying the column data we want to change. In this case, I'll specify the column name POP 2020, while I'll leave out the city column due to concerns that Exhia might have recognized the data structure. Great. It seems like Exhia has successfully made the changes. However, since we didn't instruct it to create a new shapefile or save it to the existing one, it processed the changes internally within its memory. At this point, you can simply ask Exhia to save the changes, and it will be able to execute the necessary action. In the end, Exhia decided to create a new shapefile with a different name. The next step would be for you to verify whether the changes have been made. You can do this by loading the new shapefile and checking the relevant data to ensure the updates have been applied correctly. And finally, last but not least, Exhia has successfully updated the population data for Berlin as we requested. If you want to try correcting data for other cities, I've shown you how. You can use Exhia's WebSearch capabilities and make the changes either one by one, several at a time, or you can use your own Excel table and ask Exhia to join it with the existing shapefile. Okay, it looks like I've covered some of Exhia's capabilities here. I hope you'll be inspired and find it useful. See you in another video.